So, happy birthday, Ashley. 18 ka na. Sana makapasa ka sa UP. And, ayun, best wishes sa education mo and also sana makamit mo yung dreams mo. And nandito lang ako, #1 supporter mo on your back.
Medyo kinakabahan po ako, at the same time excited to see everyone who wants to celebrate my birthday with me po. And I'd like to thank everyone who supported this whole event po, and I'm very excited and happy lang po talaga for this day.
Tonight's celebration, may I have the honor of presenting to you the debutant, Ashley Gwyneth Amario.
Hi Ashley, happy birthday anak. Ito na yung pangarap mo, binigay ko na sa'yo. At ito na ang debut party mo. Sana ay maging masaya ka, kasama ng mga kaibigan mo, ng pamilya natin. Happy birthday anak! Good luck sa lahat!
Happy birthday, Ashley!
Happy birthday, Ashley!
Happy birthday, Ashley! We love you!
Happy birthday, Ash! Anak, sana masaya ka ngayong gabi sa iyong kaarawan. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung pag-aaral mo para matupad mo ang iyong pangarap.
Happy birthday anak. Wish ko talaga na everything na heart na desire ng puso mo, makuha mo. At live to the fullest. Be happy as always. Love you anak.
Happy 18th birthday anak. We love you.